So good day everyone. For this video, I'm going to show you and discuss to you our activity for our quiz 4. It is to add a reset button to the circuit diagram of our quiz 3. Let's go. So here we have our circuit diagram for our quiz 4. As you can see, it is almost the same as our circuit diagram for our quiz 3, but we have a little addition here, which is the reset button. The reset button functions as a reset during process of the system. If we wanted to stop the system midway, here is the demonstration. As you can see, once we press start, the system functions normally as the same to our quiz 3. But when we press the reset button, as you can see, the system stops midway and return to its original state or off state. Let's try it another time. Here we start the system and press the reset because we wanted to stop the process midway. And that is our demonstration for our quiz 4. Thank you.